Welcome to the Power BI series from zero to advanced level. I have covered so many videos regarding the Power BI from the basic to advanced level. If you have not covered that, so request you to go through that video first, then come in this. If you are familiar about the Power Query in the Power BI, so feel free to watch this video. So in this video, you will learn about Power BI numerical tools in the Power Query with the real assignment question and practical example used in the real analyticals project and the interviews. So let's start. So first, in front of you, I have taking some theoretical thing about the numerical tools. See, if you click on the Power BI query from the Power BI and go click here on the transformation, and if you click in the transformation part, you will go in the last in the numerical column. In the numerical column, if you click here in the statics, you will get a drop down and about sum, minimum, maximum, medium, average, standard deviation, count value, count distinct value. So static function allow you to evaluate basic stats for a selected column like sum, minimum or maximum, average, count or distinct count. So please note this tool return is single value and are commonly used to explore a table rather than prepare it for the loading. Okay. And second thing, if you click in the standard one, so you will get add, multiply, subtract, division, interact. So many uh, tools would come appear here. If you click the scientific, so it's come about some scientific tools. If you click here in the trigonometry, so it will come in the trigonometry things and even odd and sine. So in the standard or scientific or trigonometry tools allow you to apply a standard operations, addition, multiplication, division, extra, and or the advanced calculation power like to each value in the column, right? So in the information tool allow you to define the binary figures to make row even odd a positive or negative value, right? So these are the numerical tools. Let's open the Power BI and see where this option appear here. So this is the Power BI. I opened it. We have just covering Power Adventure workflow reports. So in the home page, if you click the transformation data, click on the transformation data, the window will appear. So in this window, if you click on the transformation part, in the last you will get this subtracts, number, scientific, trigonometry, information rounding, so on. Okay. Let's fetch a data in this. The data is for the product lookup. So as usual, click on the home page, new sources, text and CSV file, and the data product lookup. Custom look, or we have already taken it, product lookup. Let's take it. So when I just apply it, the data will appear here. Okay. This will come here in this. Okay. See, if I select this any column, go there in the transformation part and the numerical column and the sum of this. So we'll get a number of. So I'll get the total sum of that particular column. The product substrate, you will get a number. Simply click here. Let's suppose we'll take the product. Okay. Okay, one more thing. In the text function, if you click here, this will become disappear. See, only we can count the value or distinct the value. Let's click on the distinct value. This is the distinct value. Let's close it. Search any numerical value. Go to the transformation one. Select. Let's check the minimum here. This is the minimum number. Let's close it. So that you can check one by one what is there in this transformation tool in the numerical column. Okay, let's suppose I will take one more example. Is there any product cost? Okay, let's suppose our pricing is become 10% less. So we'll add one more column. Go to the transformation, standard, multiply by the 0.90 value, 0.90, hence 10%. And I click here. See the value has become changed. Click here, the value is this. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll just copy it at a column, duplicate column. So this is the duplicate column of this column. Select this column, transformation part, well, multiply, find an value. So we'll see clear what happened in the value. See, earlier it was 1.13.8, 10% less would become 11. 12 point something, 10% less would be become like this. 3.3, 10% less would be become like this. 31.72, 10% less would be like this. So we can take the cost, multiply, division, anything in this scientific geometry, rounding up, even or sign. So many things are here, right? Now let's take one more example with assignment. I hope this is clear about the numerical tool. I request you again and again, please open the Power BI, check this option and go one by one. Download this data from the Google, extract it in the Power BI and practically this numerical column, or earlier I already explained the text column. So if you'll just explain it or by yourself while working, so you will become very familiar in this tool. Let's take the assignment part. So in this assignment, in the numerical tools, let's suppose you have this question in front of you, like leadership is asking us to validate some high value stats about our product and customer. Can you please help me to answer the following question? So suddenly someone asked, what is the average product cost? What is the color we are selling in our product? How many distinct customer we have? Maximum annual customer income, return table, their original sales. So these questions, if someone asks, so you can go quickly and give the answer. So we don't have really need to store this value anywhere. So make sure to store the table back to their original stats once you are done pulling the stat. Okay, so let's open the Power BI and do this numerical values questions answer. I'll open the Power BI. In the Power BI, let's open the Power Query. I'll maximize it. Okay. So let's take the first question. What is the first question? First question is how many, what is our average product cost? So let's check where is the product cost. Product cost is here. Select this value, go to the transformation, go to the status, where is average? Average is here, average. So that is 1413 is the average cost of our project. Okay. Now what is the second question? Second question is how many color do we sell our product in? So let's close it. Go to the product color, search where is the product color. This is the product color. Select this, go to the transformation part, go to stacks. This is count testing value. This is a 10. So we have the 10 color in our product. Let's close this. Go to the other questions. What is the other question? Check it. So question is how many distinct customer do we have? Okay. So open the Power Query. Search the customer. Where is the customer? Product, product description, say product style, product cost, the price, product description, middle name, product name, customer. Customer, I think we have the customer table. Let's check it. There's a customer table. Last name, first name, okay. Customer key, okay. Let's search the customer key. Transformation, okay. Count testing values. So we have the 18148 customers, unique customer. Okay, let's close it. What is the next question? Next question is what is the maximum annual customer income? So search the customer income. Yeah, annual customer. So maximum annual income. So go there in the transformation part, stacks maximum, the maximum. This is the 170k, means 170k customer, maximum value of the annual customer income. Let's close it. What was the last question? Last question was like return the table to their original states. Okay, let's search it. Let's open the Power BI. Let's search it. Fine. Let's search this question. Okay, sorry, it's become a little hang. Okay, so this is the original table set. Okay, so we have already closed the thing, so it's become the original thing. This is the last question, this one. So we answered this 4 question and returned the original how it's look like. So this is the assignment. I hope it's a pretty clear. If not, it's a recording thing. Go there, check that video once more time and try to clear your doubt. I hope I cleared all the things in the numerical tools. See you in the next video lecture. Thank you.